Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install these update, that is KB5017389 or KB5017271 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, click on settings. Now go to system. Now click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooters. Over here you can see Windows update, click on run. Now once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. Now still you are unable to install the update. In that case, restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update in the list. At the end over here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update and then make sure startup type is set to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, make a double click and again set it to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then with this selected over here, click on restart the service. Now once done, update your Windows 11 once again. But still you are unable to update, then use Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. So open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update. So the update is KB5017389. So write it down, KB501 and then 7389. Then search. Now over here, this is the update, that is Windows 11 x64 base system KB5017389. You can check your system type, go to setting, then go to system, then click on about. Over here you will see your system type. I have x64, so this is the right one, x64 base system. Click on download. This will open the screen. Now click on this blue hyperlink and this will start the download. Now once the download is complete, run this file. Click on it, make a double click, run this file, restart your computer and this should install this update. So when you click on this hyperlink, if nothing happens, you can make a right click, then click on save link as. You can set the location as desktop and then make a double click on desktop link and then it should start downloading. You can click on keep new if nothing happens when you click on this hyperlink, but in my case it's downloading. So once the download is complete, click on it and then run the file, restart your computer and this should install the update. Now do the same thing with the other update, that is 5017271. So if you are unable to install, again do the same thing, write down the name of the update, click on search, then download and install it. Now still the manual update is failing. In that case you can use Windows 11 installation assistance. So for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Again open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Now once the download is complete, run this exe file and then it will open Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on yes to allow. And if there is any pending update, you will see an option which says accept and install. Click on accept and install, and after the installation, restart your computer and your Windows 11 should be up to date. But still this is also failing. Then in that case, reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy till here. Now type in notepad in Windows search box and then open notepad and then paste all the commands over here. Now go to file and then click on save as. Name the file as wuauserv.bat. You can set it to desktop, set the location as desktop. Name this file as wuauserv.bat. For save as type, select all files and now click on save. Now go to desktop, make a right click on wuauserv file. So make a right click over here and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now this will open command prompt. First of all, it will stop all the Windows update services, and then it will run some scans. So once the it will stop the services, and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so the scan will take some time. So once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows update services. So the scan process will take some time. And once all the scan are complete, it will restart all the Windows update services, and then it will close itself. Or you can close once the process is complete, you can restart your computer. So make sure that you restart your computer after this. And after the system restart, update your Windows 11 once again, and that should fix the problem. But if nothing is helping, in that case, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 11. So go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now, and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop, and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish, and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these two updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.